If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the BYD company with the ticker symbol 1211. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So yesterday I put out a community post to see your guys' thoughts on what video I should do, and the one with the most likes would have won. So it looks like this company had 9 likes. I'm kind of suspicious just because it's something I never heard about. And Tesla was the second favorite, but I still have to do it. I'm not 100% sure if this is accurate or not, but we'll still look at the chart and go over the technicals, because technical analysis works on any chart that has candlesticks and pretty much any market. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Well, it looks like there was a nice rally from March all the way till June. And why did price start stalling out at this 325 level? You can see if I zoom out or scroll out, it happened in the past too. Back here in October, prices started stalling out at the same level. Traders recognized that. They either got out of their position, and you can see that aggressive sellers came in the market and knocked prices down. So there's a lot of resistance at this 320 level. It's like a ceiling. It's a price level that's hard for the bulls to push through. So we got knocked down. We got below the EMA, started bouncing from the bottom side. We came back inside of this range or this breakout point. Let me go and show you that right now. So you can see there was a range pattern from March to April. Then we broke outside of it. We came back to test the breakout level, but we just gapped down right through the top of the 244 level, and now we're back at the bottom side of the range. So this is a very aggressive down move. They probably want to come back down a little bit more. I would say probably to fill in this gap at the 196 level, and maybe even get some type of support at the 178 level. So it looks like we kind of just been going sideways since pretty much 2021. It's a very sideways chart with a little uptrend bias to it, because there's a higher high right here and a higher low. So there's a little upward bias to this chart. So put a horizontal line at the support, which is right around the $200 level. I would say it's a support. So there's this possible downtrend channel in play. I'll show you guys that right now. So it looks like this is the possible downtrend channel right here, and we're very close to getting a bounce back up, because we are definitely overextended, and price action does not like to stay far away from the EMA for a long time. So once we reach this support level, I expect some type of bounce, probably back up to the 240, 250 level. So that's kind of the pattern I see playing out on the daily chart. So that's everything I have for the daily chart for 1211. Looks like there was a nice up move, found resistance at the same point in the past, sold off harshly. Looks like we're coming back down to some strong support levels that possibly can reverse prices, but at the very least I expect a bounce because we are far away from the EMA. So let's go and switch it over to the weekly chart to wrap it all up. And here we have the weekly chart for BYD, and you can see that bullish bias more clear. If I draw a channel, you can see that prices are making higher highs and higher lows, and it occurred after this strong move up. So this was a nice aggressive channel right here. Then we had a break of this pattern and a few legs up to a new high. So this is technically a topping pattern. That's where we're seeing a lot of aggressive sellers come to the market, like seeing a big dump. So this could be a top right around this 320 level. So we could see a big crash back down to that $82 level, because that's the breakout point, which we have not tested, it looks like. So am I saying we're gonna go there? It's a possibility. I think traders are looking at that, but the thing about a market is that you have people looking at the bullish signs, you have people thinking there's bearish signs. So it could go both ways. If we don't get a bounce from this channel support like we did right over here, So I'm expecting a bounce right over here, or slight break, because we did come up a little bit short here. So I'm expecting a slight break of this channel, probably to the 192 level, 188 level, and then we need to see a bounce up. Now if we don't see that bounce up, things can get pretty ugly. And if we start seeing the 190s, or excuse me, the 170s, the 160s, 150s, 140s, 130s, then you definitely know we're probably coming back to that $80 price level. So it just all depends right over here. This is the inflection point. So if we don't see that bounce up, then I'm going to be thinking that traders don't want to be bidding the prices up. Aggressive sellers don't want to be moving the market up. It looks like they're going to be trading the topping pattern. So if I remove this channel, you could see that we had a break of this channel right over here, and then one leg up, and then two legs up. So that's pretty much a topping pattern, double top, and we could see a big retracement down. So I'll just watch out for those two things. It just all depends right around this like low 200, high 190s level, what price action does. I don't know if exactly what it's gonna do. I'm a reactionary trader, meaning if we go up, then I look for longs. If we go down, I look for shorts. I don't know. I don't have a specific thing that I do. If I see whatever the chart says, I follow the chart. So that's everything I have for 12Y. Basically, pretty solid chart, to be honest, versus a bunch of other stocks. But we could also start seeing the sell-off occur in this stock, just like a bunch of other stocks, back down to their 2020 price levels. I'm not sure if it's going to get that low, but there is a lot of downside in this chart. So I think that's all I have for 12/11. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channels, since you might be surprised and wait to learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.